Chai guys, most of you have been asking why my After Effects interface looks different. Don't be scared or angry with me. These are extensions and scripts I normally use to speed up my workflow. And in this video, I'm going to show you the basics. Note, some of these extensions or scripts does basic stuffs, but in a more quicker way. Kindly subscribe and like this video. Also join my Discord server and join my Telegram channel. Easy copy. Imagine I create two shapes and I animate the position and then ease. The first shape using the graph editor. If I want to get the same easing for the second shape, I have to go back to the graph editor, and this takes time. So, this is why I use the ease copy script. I just have to highlight the eased keyframe of the first shape, then hit on the copy, then select the keyframes of the second shape, and then hit paste. That's all. The second shape receives the same ease, and this can save you time. So kindly try this script. 2. Reach. This is an intuitive script that has many quick commands you can use to speed up your edits or motion graphics. I use this to align my text and other assert in my composition. Basically, I use this to also purge my memory and disk cache quickly without going through the normal procedure for emptying disk and memory cache. This really saves me time. There is more to this script, but basically, these are some commands I do use. 3. Keys. This is an extension that creates keyframes with ease and has clean and minimal layout. All you need to do is select any keyframe created with a property. Go to the extension and select any preset, and it's going to give you an ease on the go. You can create and save your own presets. The best part is, it gives you a preview of the type of easing you will get. Alternative is the flow extension, but a paid one. 4. Essential sound effect. Do you really want to apply sound effects without leaving your After Effects? This is where Essential Sound Effects comes in. This is a paid extension that comes with a pack of different sound effects you can directly use in your project. Just hover on the sound to get a preview, then double-click to apply. Five. Easy Tool. This tool saves you a whole lot of time, and it's also free. This script creates adjustment layers quickly. Pre-compose, split or duplicate layers. Easy ease your keyframes. This is helpful if your F9 shortcut isn't working, due to your keyboard type. You can simply select all your keyframes and easy ease them. More commands are incorporated. Into this script, just try your hands on. Hey, if you are still watching, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel for bonus tip. This works on After Effects 2024 and below you can change the color of UI.
What we're going to do is actually click OK and navigate to your composition panel. What you'll want to do is hit Command F12 or Control F12 if you're on a PC, and this will open up the console panel. Now in the hamburger menu, what you'll want to do is go to Debug Database View. Then in the search panel, type in color. you'll notice a few options here. What you can do is check the box next to enable theme colorizing. And what this will do is if you go back into After Effects Preferences Appearance, you'll notice that there's a change color button now. You can click on that and actually make the theme color any color you wish.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to join my Discord server for updates. For direct message, kindly join my Telegram channel.